Tutorial: Custom Device Templates. This tutorial will demonstrate how to create and remove custom device templates. This Custom Device button opens the Device Template Manager, which can be used to create, manage, and delete template devices. Existing templates will be shown here. Click the Select button to choose a device for the template. In this case, select the 2960-24TT switch. Packet Tracer will provide a name for the template based on the name of the selected device. To change the name, double-click on the existing name. Select the description box and type in a description for the template. Select the categories that you want the custom device to appear in by clicking on the checkboxes next to the device subcategories. Click the Add button to include the new device in the template device list. Be sure to save all templates in the Templates folder. Packet Tracer will not show templates saved in a different location. Also, since the templates are specified as .ptd files, they reside only on the local machine. So if the templates need to be accessed by other machines, the .ptd files must be copied to the templates folders on those machines. Click here to save the template. Click the subcategory icons in the device type selection box to view the existing templates. In this case, we placed it in both the switches and the miscellaneous subcategories. Add a custom wireless PC from the existing device templates to the workspace. Start by selecting the miscellaneous category in the device type selection box. The custom device is shown here. Drag it into the workspace. Notice that it has a wireless card by default. To remove a user-created template, open the Device Template Manager window again. Choose the template to be removed by selecting it in the Template drop-down box. Click Remove to discard the template. The custom device template has been removed. Only user-created templates can be removed. Default templates cannot. The icons that represent devices can be changed in Packet Tracer. Click on the PC to open the configuration dialog. Device images that are displayed on the Logical Workspace can be customized by clicking on the Customize icon in Logical View button. Browse to and select an image from a list and click OK to apply the change. The Logical Workspace image for the particular device has been changed. To use the default image for the device, click on the Customize Image in Logical View again, and then click the Reset button. The same feature is also available for use in the physical network. This ends the Custom Device Template tutorial.